I was just taking a picture you saw. What foresee that everything can be a lie on the internet would be. I took a picture with this tablet that I have here. Inside this tablet I have the Face app, which is an application to touch your face. I done that photo, and now put the second photo. And look at me. My sister is not the same. She doesn't look like her. But they realize because it can be anyone, and that he is cheating on you. He is posing as women and maybe a man. She pretends to be a woman, and you say we are friends. She is a female friend, and the opposite is a man. A man, a person who is deceiving them. That is deceiving you. Do not be deceived. If they have minors, they can use parental control applications they call, so they are applications that tell them. They do are two users, one that is the parent or adult, and the other the child are for each cell phone. Then the adult can manage the time that the child can use the cell phone. They can manage which pages you can see, which pages you can't, which apps you can see. They can view the history of everything the guy did on his device.
I repeat again what Han just said once. You would go outside to the shut up to the first person who passes, and I would show him it is an intimate photo of you. I don't think so. I don't. I would not even show a photo, although even if it is like this, I would not show him because with my own photo can do something else, so it is a double-edged thing, where only the meaning common is the one that will help us to be able to guide us inside this world that knowing how to use. Well, believe me, it can be very profitable.